Hello guys, and how are you today? And welcome back to our course. And today our lesson is how to write a paragraph, and this lesson is introduced by Ahmed Fuad. First, we have to know what is the paragraph structure. So the paragraph structure here, it's like a pyramid. So here at the top of the pyramid, it's the top sentence, and this is the beginning. And what is the topic sentence? So the topic sentence here, it's the main idea you are going to talk about, or the paragraph is about. Then in the middle here, we start with supporting sentences, and here is the middle that elaborates and explains the idea that introduced in the topic sentence. And here you have to provide evidence, examples, facts, and so on. And then the third one, it's the end or the concluding sentence. Here you have to mention your opinion about the paragraph and what you have written in or through the paragraph. So the paragraph here should start through 3 steps. The first step, it's before. What should I do before I write the paragraph? So you have to plan your paragraph. So the first step here, it's planning your paragraph. Here, the first step of planning your paragraph, you have to decide what the main topic. So you have to choose and decide and mention the main sentence that you are going to talk about, and mention your evidence and facts, figures, and so on. So number 1, you have to mention or decide what is the main topic. Then step number 2, you have to write down information and ideas relating to that topic, facts, figures, and so on. The third one, it's to figure out how you want to structure your paragraph. So your paragraph here, let's consider it as a beef burger sandwich. So the first layer, it's a bread which represents by topic sentence, and the second layer, it's the supporting sentence which contain meat and so on. And the last one, it's a concluding sentence. The concluding sentence here, as we said before, it's your opinion about the paragraph. And the second step, it's during. What should I do when I finish planning my paragraph? So the second step is writing your paragraph. Here we have to write the topic sentence. So first one, mention the main idea, and we have 2 options to mention our ideas. Here we begin at the first sentence. Here we begin with a sentence. Reading is important because it's not only it develops our minds and so on. So here it's the main idea that the paragraph is going to talk about. And here we start here with a question. What is the importance of reading? And here I prefer this technique. Why? Because if you start your paragraph with a question, it attracts the reader to know what happens next or what will happen. So here, what is the importance of reading? Here the reader will be attracted what's going to be. So reading is important because it's not only and so on. So I prefer this technique, okay? The second one, how to fill in supporting details. If you want to fill supporting details, you have to mention facts, you have to mention figures, statistics, and examples, and you can use stories or quotes. Also, you can link each sentence with the transition words like furthermore, in fact, in addition to, moreover, and so on. And you can use a chronological transition such as firstly, secondly, and thirdly. And the third step is writing concluding sentence. And here you have to mention your opinion about the paragraph. So here a good concluding sentence will reinforce the idea outlined in your topic sentence. And do not just reword the topic sentence again. Don't repeat your main sentence. You have to mention your opinion in your words again. So the last step is reviewing your paragraph. If you have finished your paragraph, what should you do next? You have to review your paragraph. If you have missing or spelling or the grammar and so on, you have to check it. Then you have to check your paragraph for coherency. Coherence is the main idea of this of writing paragraph. Then you have to decide if your paragraph is complete or not. The next step here, we have a paragraph. So here the paragraph. Here we have a space here, then we write our main idea. And here we divide our paragraph into three parts. The first part, it's talking about the topic sentence, and the second part here, it's talking about supporting sentences, and the last one here, it's about concluding sentence. As you see, here we start with a question to attract the reader, then the answer of the question. We used a transition words and linking words like therefore, in addition, however, and here we mention our opinion to conclude. And in my opinion, reading is important, and so on. So this is the last thing. I hope you find it good. Thank you very much. With you, Ahmed Fuad. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.